So, update on the MR2 turbo. Fuel tank is out. It is an absolute headache taking a tank out of one of these. Anyone that's done it knows exactly what I'm talking about. Anyone want to see what 10-year-old fuel looks like? This is the old pump, as you can see, well and truly seized. See how big the seals are and stuff in the car. Really clean beef. But you have to remove the coolant pipes, aircon pipes, straps, heat shields in the engine, and a lot of fettling and wriggling. Some forms will tell you there's a drain plug on the tank. Even on the Mark 2s. I'm pretty sure the Mark 1s did, but the Mark 2s definitely don't. A few spiders have been in it. But it is a fiddly job. It's not the hardest job in the world, it's just time consuming and really fiddly. But there's the tank out. So we're tackling a few jobs at the same time. Cam belt, it's all been stripped off. Got all the brand new pulleys here, ready to go on. Tomorrow I'll put those on. But it's difficult. Decided to do it with the engine in. I've done a few of them now with the engine in. They're not that difficult. People say take the engine out. They're not that difficult to do with the engine in. Getting the water pump off is the most awkward bit. But you've got heat shields here that you have to remove the lines from the tank. So it's quite here is the heat shield, the offended article. You have to get that out of the way. There is the fuel tank load, ready to put in the Bro 255.